Hello my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Well, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Indu. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, lifestyle, beauty and loads of product reviews. So stay tuned to my channel. Also hit the subscribe button below so you guys are notified every time I upload a new videos. So how are you guys doing? If you ask me the same question, I'm not doing that great. And I think it's because I have a concern, which is not only mine, it is among a lot of you guys out there. Yes, the common concern of weight gain. We all during this lockdown period have forgotten a diet, have hogged on to whatever we can, have worked in more than the usual 9 hours of work, not exercise, and all this has resulted in weight gain. According to me, I have just decided to do something about it. Our body is our treasure for life, so why not take care of it? Isn't it right? So you guys also, I suggest you take care of yourself. To take care of my body, I've decided to take care of 4 things in my life: the diet intake, the sugar intake, exercising, and most importantly, the protein intake. Yes, women, we ladies out there are multitaskers. We perform multiple roles in our life. For example, in my case, I am a wife, a mother, a working woman, a YouTuber, and all this I need the energy to survive the entire day. I need my metabolism to be high. At such times, I'm pretty unsure about the protein intake that I'm having in my diet, and that is the reason I was in search of a protein powder. That's when I came across Oziva brand. Oziva has multiple products under the brand name of Oziva, and one of their top selling products is the protein and herbs. I went through the Oziva's website, and that is when I came across that they have a new subscription plan wherein in that subscription plan you can get 2 products at the same time. One is the Oziva protein and herbs, one is the Oziva superfood green and herbs. It is more like a process wherein you just subscribe for the subscription plan and the products are easily sent to your home. You get 2 months, 3 months or 6 months subscription plans. I have availed the same, and therefore I have gone in for the 3 month subscription plan. When you subscribe to Oziva's subscription plans, you also get other benefits to it. You get free consultation with a nutritionist, which is worth 1500 rupees, which is absolutely free. Along with that, you can chat with their consultant. You also get suggestions and solutions about your diet over messages from that. So isn't that great? And how convenient it is for you guys. I have enjoyed their services, and therefore the 2 products that I've picked up, I'm going to talk to you next about each of them. First one is this Oziva protein and herbs, and the second one is this Oziva superfood green and herbs. So this is like how it looks like. This is a 500 grams pack, and this is a 100 grams pack. Each of the Oziva products comes in this beautiful kind of packaging. It's a plastic packaging. It is very feasible and very easy to use. You have to open this and then you get the actual product inside. It also comes in like plastic or an aluminum kind of wrapping inside, wherein you have to cut open that and then you can use it. It also comes with a spoon in it, wherein according to that scoop is what you have to have the products. So quickly let's talk about each of the products and the benefits that they have. First product that we have is this Oziva protein and herbs for women. This is the best natural powder with whey protein, ayurvedic herbs and multivitamins for better metabolism, skin and hair. These are available in 3 sizes, that is 500 grams one, 1 kilo one and 3 kilo one. And the best part is it is also got 3 flavors like chocolate, cafe mocha, vanilla, almond. These products are soya free, gluten free, free from any preservatives and no added sugar. These products also do not contain any artificial sweetness in them. This product is very effective in improving your metabolism because it has got things like guduchi, green tea and cinnamon plant. It is also helps in improving your skin and hair as it has got multivitamins like biotin, iron and zinc. It's also got vitamins like A, B, C and D. It is great for hormonal balance because it is enriched with shatavari, flax seeds, tulsi and curcumin extracts. Since protein is the building blocks of our bones and muscles, skin and hair along with other vitamins and minerals, it is very important to provide the nutrition to the body to be healthier, feel fitter and look beautiful. The way to have this drink is pretty easy. All you need to do is just take 1 scoop of it in 200 ml of water, mix it beautifully and just have your drink. I usually have this drink morning after exercising. You can also consume this drink in case you're not exercising. For that, all you need to do is just take half a scoop of this in 200 ml of water and you can have it. to talk about is this Oziva Superfood Green and Herbs. This is an alkalizing drink to improve your skin health and reduce acne, pimples, and even your gut health. It helps in detoxification and cleansing, reducing acne and pimples causing bacteria. Bad skin, acne, and other digestion issues are caused due to high acidity in the body. So having superfood green and herbs helps you to flush out these acid things in your body and thus improves your digestion and gives you healthy skin. One serving of superfood green and herbs is equivalent to 10 servings of greens. It's an absolute must-have for not only cleansing, repairing, and also for regeneration of cells. Ziva green and herbs is enriched with ingredients such as spinach, chlorella, moringa, etc. These also help to reduce the acid level of the body and thus cleanse your body from inside. This Oziva green and herbs can be consumed during any time of the day. However, it is suggested to best have it in the morning on an empty stomach. All you need is just take 2 scoops of this into 200 ml of water, mix it thoroughly and just have it. It can be consumed by both males and females, anybody about 12 years of age. Talking about my experience of using Oziva products, firstly, I've seen a great improvement in my metabolism. My energy levels have rose really high. I feel super empowered, super strong during the day. Secondly, it has improved the skin quality. My hair quality has all improved of having these good proteins in my food. Thirdly, talking about it has helped me to reduce fat, take care of the body fat that I'm having. I have lost around 2 kilos in the past month and I feel so good about it. Finally, I have been able to shed off that weight that I have gained, as I told you in the starting. So I'm pretty happy about it. Overall, my experience was really good because I got the products immediately, and secondly, you can get free consultation with the nutritionist, and they suggest you diet plan and changes that you can bring. All this has helped really a lot, and my overall experience with Oziva brand has been pretty good. I really want to suggest it to you guys to have the right amount of protein intake. Definitely try their products, and if you guys are interested to purchase the Oziva products, the link to purchase it will all be given in the description box below. And if you have any queries, you can easily write it to me. You can also go and chat on their site. They're very helpful and very useful. Oziva products are great to try. I definitely suggest it to you guys. I will give the link to all these products and the official website of Oziva down in the description box below. You can check it out and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Definitely write to me about your experience of using Oziva products. Till next time, see you. Bye.